everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Hibou Suite module website project tasks in version 15 of Odoo. The website project tasks module adds a task preview smart button to tasks and task tags to the portal view task table and task record. Additionally, if you have the project task line module installed, this module will create a to-do list tag on tasks. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate to the apps application. We're going to remove the apps filter. And we're going to search for website project tasks. As you can see, this one is already installed, but in your case, you would just have an install button here. Now, we're going to look for the project tasks line module. We're going to install it. And done. Now we're going to go to one of our tasks. And let's do bathroom renovations. As you can see here, we have the tasks preview smart button and we have the to-do list tab. First, we're going to go to the Tasks Preview Smart button, and as you can see, it takes us to this window right here, which is a portal view of this task. On this portal task view, we can scroll down to message and see the communication history. You can see if any tag has been added, and here you'll see a newly added tags column on the list of tasks. Now, if we go back to edit mode, we can also take a look at the to-do list. Here we can add find new tiles. We can mark the status as done and who completed this. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ebook exclusive content. Have a good day and bye!